In this video, I'll guide you through how you can create LinkedIn page for your business. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you have to open LinkedIn on a browser, then click on For Business. Now you have to scroll down and click on Create a Company Page. Now you got 3 options, but you have to go with Company and click on it. Now you have to type your company name. On the next step, you have to type your website URL. Now select your services. Then select your organization size and then your organization type. If you have a logo, then you can upload a logo from here. Then you have to add your tagline. Now you have to click on the checkmark box and click on Create Page. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily create a company page on LinkedIn.